hinahanap ko. Kailangan ko siya for travel. Tigil ako sarili kong bumili ng kung ano-ano. Ba't ba ako nandito? Wala naman to sa list. But, ayan, at least may nahanap ako. And I don't really have much time to buy more things for my travel plans. But at least, work is done so I can focus on packing. And yun, ano pa ba kailangan ko? Wala akong mahanap na lalagyan ng mic. So I'm trying to find that since yesterday. But I haven't found anything still that I like. So yun. So nasa craft store ako dito sa Vertis. I haven't tried working here, but they have a lot of things. It's quite nice. Meron silang workshop area. Okay, so ayan, I'm on the road. I'm feeling quite anxious because lumindol. Nag-work ako sa cafe sa Vertis, and thankfully I wasn't working nung lumindol daw. And pababa na ako ng parking, yung basement yung parking sa Vertis. Yun. So I ran out. Kasi the last time na lumindol, nasa Trinoma ako mag-isa. Actually, ngayon nandito ako sa tapat ng MRT. Yung ginagawang MRT, so nag-freak out ako. Mamaya umulat, mag-aftershock. Puro bakal kasi to. So, paranoid man or what. I'm still traumatized but that earthquake. So, yun, na-confirm ko ngayon pala sa balita. They're talking about it in sa FM station na lumindol nga. But, inask ko yung teller sa, sa labas. Sa labas. Sorry guys, medyo na, pa-frazzle pa ako. Inask ko yung teller sa parking and she said na wala siyang naramdaman. So, yun. I'm supposed to go to another mall because I need to buy some things for my trip to Boracay. And my mom is supposed to meet me sa SM North. But I don't feel like going to the mall. So I'm just going to pick her up and then maybe go to a nearby grocery na one story lang or something, or maybe just eat. I don't know, I just don't really like this. And whoever have felt it or on top of the building right now, please stay safe. Maybe it's time check, it's 4:40, so if you can go home, just go home. Huwag na kayong mag-malling, huwag na kayong tumambay kung saan. I think it's better to be safe than sorry. Yes, and the traffic is starting to build up. So if you guys experienced the April earthquake this year, that was crazy. Nahirapan ako umuwi. And actually, I never thought I would talk about this again on my vlog. Naisulat ko siya noon. But I took some photos. I was just so freaked out. So, sige, i-share ko na lang din what happened. Yeah, medyo funny yun ng onte. I was on top of the building ng Trinoma sa Despa. Sobrang stress out ako nung summer. And meron akong gift check, so I decided to use it. And then, mag-isa lang ako doon kasi ayos mama ng mom ko. Package yung kinuha ko. So, tapos na yung dalawang treatment na ginawa. Tapos, pa-start na yung massage. When it started shaking, the first time that it happened, it was, we didn't realize that it was already an earthquake. Akala ko lang na move lang yung bed ng therapies, and then may thumping sound na sobrang lakas, and akala ko, yung thumping sound was from another customer from the other room. And then it stopped, and then that's when the masseuse realized na it was an earthquake already, and she was holding my leg and saying that, "Ma'am, let's not move and stay put." So in my head, I was just praying and praying that uh, that it would stop. I don't wanna die in an earthquake without my mom, my family, or anyone with me that I know. So that was just very stressful. So by the time that I got out of the spa, I was kasi yung I was really trembling, and nervous kasi ako sa ganyan because every time may earthquake, lagi ako nasa taas ng building. Although, ito lang kasi yung first time ko na ako lang mag-isa. So, ang nangyari, um, uh, the spa said, okay, sige, yung treatment, you can just do it some other time. Okay, hold on guys, my mom's calling. So, yun nga, na, sinundo ko yung mom ko. Nasundo ko na siya. So, ito, yun nga yung nangyari. Na-conscious ako yung babae sa harap na nakatingin. Yun nga yung nangyari na lumindol. So, 4 point something sa Manila, Quezon City. Sa Quezon talaga yung yung epicenter. Marami nakaramdam kasi on our way home kanina sa Mindanao Avenue, may building na nasa baba lahat ng mga tao. Tapos, yun, hindi ko lang nakuhanan kasi biglang umandar yung sasakyan. Ako yung nagdadrive. And then, pag-check ko sa Facebook, sumawi kami sandali, pag-check ko sa Facebook, maraming ang nakaramdam dito sa Manila. And, yun, nasa news na siya when I was going home. Yun, medyo nakaka-trauma, mabalik yung trauma. So, yun, nakaka-conscious kasi sila yung mga tao sa labas ng sasakyan. Nakatingin, nagtataka ba ito magsasalita mag-isa? Although nilakita tong camera. So, yun, nakaka-kaba. Yung, meron kaming go bag. I would advise you guys to have a go bag. Meron kaming go bag, kaso lang lately kasi pinukuhanan ko ng damit kapag naubusan ako ng damit. So, hindi ko pa nare-replace. And actually, yung go bag ko akin lang kasi yung mom ko masyadong kampante yun. So, wala pa siyang ayos na go bag. Meron lang siyang bag. Bag lang. So, I guess, dapat gawin ko. Then, ilagay nyo sa nearest exit ng bahay. And then, yun, para any emergencies, hindi man earthquake, may lindol, hindi man earthquake, may sunog and all that, at least, meron kayong kukuhanan ng gamit, then, yun, or baha. So, I think I need to replace some of the food. Baka lang kasi nung April ko pa hinandayan. I think may skyflakes dun, so baka hindi na pwede yun. Most likely, hindi na pwede yun. Yung mga gamot, pwede pa yun. Bumili rin ako noon sa Mercury ng emergency kit na may mga first aid, and then hindi ko pa siya nasamahan ng plate. Actually, nakita na may napanood ako sa CNN, and nilagyan nila ng plates and spoon and fork, and then yung water, may amount of water that you have to put in. Hindi ko lang ma-recall. So, yun. Basically, yun lang yung kulang namin sa go bags. What happened today is, medyo, yun nga, nakaka-stress. Yun na lang, at least tapos na yung trabaho. It's not in the middle of work. And I was not on top of the building, although nasa basement parking. But nonetheless, madali akong nakalabas. So, yun lang. That's my day today. Ito na yung aking mommy. Pabalik na siya sa sasakyan. We're buying dog food. So, okay, I'll just end this vlog later. Bye! Hi guys! Excuse me for looking like this. Nakauwi rin sa bahay after trying to finish the other errands na delay because I decided not to go malling again sa SM. And, not sure if nakwento ko kanina when I was driving. Ano naman yung camera ko? When I was driving, what happened no April. I don't have any video clips for that myself because yun nga, I was trying to get out of trinoma pero sobrang traumatizing yun for me. I have photos to show you guys. Actually, I was one of the last people to get out of trinoma that time. And pagbaba ko, para na siyang um, ground zero. Alam mo yung parang eksena sa pelikula na 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 may calamity, and then ang dami ng sasakyan, ang dami ng tao, ang dami ng may mga ambulance, tapos yung mga security, yung police, nandun na sila sa grounds, and everybody are just trying to stay safe out in the open. So, ganun siya. And when I went down that time, I remember sa Trinoma, parang doon na nag-sink in na nagka-earthquake. Wala akong kasama. Although alam mo maraming tao, but that feeling na you don't know anyone, and then just to make yourself feel a bit better, and syempre you want to know what happened when the other people were downstairs. Yeah, so I actually talked to one person doon who told me na nakita nila si Trinoma was swinging and vertice. So, nag-sway habang lumilindol. Somebody also told me na actually may roller. Yung pinsan ko, she told me, kasi architect siya, she told me that yung Trinoma has a roller. So, like ABS-CBN, it has a roller. That's why mas malakas sa taas. Yun, so, yung earlier, hindi ko siya actually naramdaman. But the mere fact na narinig mo dun sa mga security guards na lumindol, may panic inside you that they say you shouldn't have kapag may calamity. But I think it's natural instinct. It's human nature to panic. And buti na lang din yung mga tao before, nung summer, nung April earthquake, ano sila, kalmado. Especially the Ayala staff, the Ayala security. They were quite prepared because of the so many times that we have earthquake drills, fire drills, nakakatulong talaga. And yun, and then so yun nga, kanina, not everybody felt it. Kaya narinig ko pa yung isang guard na babae na nadaanan ko na, lumindol, kailan? Parang ganun. So yun, I speed walk to my car, try to get out of the basement parking immediately. Buti na lang malapit lang yung exit sa pinaradahan ko. And outside, it seems like not everybody or is well aware na nagka-earthquake. Until na lang yun nga, minadaanan kami isang building na maraming tao sa labas. And yun, mom ko, buti na lang pauwi pa, balik na rin siya from our relative. So, we met up. Yun, so, it's not, this day is not something that I expected because I just recently came from a family event na hindi din maganda. My uncle passed away. So, this year, sobrang sunod-sunod yung mga nangyayari sa akin na hindi sobrang okay. Started nung summer when I wrote about what I've been through before. Well, I think that's a good thing. It's just that what happened right after that, sobrang matindi. And then the earthquake happened, and another personal thing happened, and then yun nga, my uncle passed away. And then same week ba? Yeah, a week apart, even less than a week apart, that earthquake na naman. So 2019, you're really testing me. I'm just glad that everybody's safe. So far, I'm currently watching the news, and parang I was watching the news earlier and wala pa yatang casualties. Parang wala akong na anong damage unless hindi lang na-cover pa or hindi ko pa napanood. But then again, yun, it's a good thing that it's not as bad as nung April. And I'm hoping na wala ng lindol because they keep saying there will be a big one. But sana ito na yung big one. Itong April, yun na yung big one. I can't even speak properly. It's just, ang hirap i-explain unless may experience, may trauma. I thought I was feeling better. Actually, kanina, nung nasa taas ako ng mall, kasi I was working at the cafe, I was feeling a little bit anxious. But I was telling myself, it's just you. Parang, something's telling me, go down, go down, go down, na, kasi I've been at the cafe for about maybe 2 hours. But I don't want to move kasi nga, I just want to get my work done because I'm gonna go on leave next week. And then, yun, my laptop crashed. So, I couldn't do anything about it. So, I was thinking, sige, work na lang at home when you get home in the evening, finish your errands, then just continue what tasks that you need to finish. But then, yun nga, I don't know if it's a coincidence, but buti na lang din, I stopped working, started going around the mall to buy things for my trip. Because if not, I would have felt that. Kasi the cafe is at the very top of the mall. So that's the, baka 5th floor yata or 6th, I'm not sure, ng Vertis Mall. So sigurado yun, mas malakas sa taas. Mas magpapanik pa ako kaysa kanina. Kanina lang nagpanik na ako. Kasi naman basement pa rin yun. Sino ba gusto matabunan sa basement? Diba? Sabi nga nila, mas maganda pang nasa taas ka kaysa nasa ilalim ka. But para sa akin, nonetheless, it's the same. An earthquake is still an earthquake. So, yun. So, that is how my Friday went. I hope everybody is doing good at home na, safe with the family and all that. And let's just try to think positive here. Whatever happened today, for sure everybody is drained, especially those who've been traumatized with the past earthquakes or any calamities they've experienced like I did. Trying to get back on their feet, recover, not think about it. Yun lang. So, yes. This is not a vlog that I expected to do. But, yes. I hope you're still watching. And I don't know what to say anymore. I'm still shaken by it. Yun. So, this is Rem Lucia from the Hodgepodge Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell or button, comment away, and the next few vlogs will be happier and more exciting. Well, yeah. Okay, bye and good night.